guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you flash-proof graduation makeup. I bought some new makeups na makakatulong sa atin for toning up our complexion and for brighten up my face. Kaya naisipan ko gawin to ng graduation makeup. By the way guys, I graduated na. And I graduated at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. So, if you're watching and dun ka nag-aaral right now, you know na ang graduation day nila is around September or October. Yung time namin na yon is, since last year yan, is around pandemic. So, unti-unti pa lang siya nag-a-adjust. Nag-graduate kami dun sa bagong gawa na PUP gym. And guys, if you know, PUP is equals to mainit. So, kailangan na sweat-proof talaga yung makeup. And, dapat fresh ka kasi big day yan graduation yan. So now I'll be sharing an anti-sweat or to keep you fresh para sa big day nyo. Of course, ang first step natin para mag-last yung makeup natin is a skincare. I am done with my routine na. So, if you want to know my skincare routine, just comment down below so I can make a video by to it. And now for the first step of your base makeup, I'll be using this CZ Nude primer and this ZZ Lavender primer. So, we have to prime our face para maging pantay yung color ng eyes natin. And also, pag nag-prime ka talaga ng face mo, is magle-lessen na yung concealer since nag-tone up na, diba? So, in the further step, magkakonti na lang ako ng concealer. And we want it to be thin as possible sa makeup natin, especially if yung pupuntahan natin na event is mainit. We have to keep it minimal as possible, but slay. Don't forget yung neck nyo. Yung lavender color na primer, ilalagay ko siya sa center lang. Ayan. Kung mapapansin nyo, bigla nag-lighten up. Very important talaga yung pag-prime ng face natin para mag-lessen na yung steps natin sa makeup. For my concealer, I'll be using this O2O High Definition Concealer in the shade HC02. Since konti na lang naman yung tatakpan ko because of the color correcting primer. Blend it with my sponge. Ito na agad yung difference niya. Nag-lighten up na dito sa eye ko compare dito. For my foundation, I'll be using this O2O cream cushion in the shade 110. First time ko lang makakita ng cream type of cushion. Like, ganito siya and gaganinin nyo. Kailangan nyo siyang i-rub like this and then saka siya mag-a-apply ng product. Wala din tong SPF, so this is very perfect if you want to achieve that flash-proof makeup. So, konti lang din yung ilalagay ko here sa gitna and then dito. We're using this flat brush to blend it. I'll just blend it in the middle. Ganito yung look na after I apply the cream cushion. Light talaga siya and very smooth yung face ko. And now I'll be applying a bronzer para hindi naman nagmumukhang plain lang yung face natin. I'll be using this Focular Face Contour. Shade na nakuha ko is for bronzer. So, let's go. No, makalat pa siya, but I will blend it using this sponge. Hindi na siya plain white or hindi na mukhang papel yung face natin. Nagkaroon na siya ng shadow because of the bronzer. Mas gumagamit ako ng bronzer instead of contour. I've been watching Mommy Janay's vlog and I agree to her na for contour is for the picture lang As for the bronzer, like pwede mo siya magamit for everyday look and for personal since this is a graduation, madami makakita sa in person. So, it's best to use bronzers na lang. I'll be setting my under eye using the CZ setting powder. I-set ko siya dito sa under eye where I apply my concealer para hindi siya mag-cake. For my transition color, first, mag-a-apply ako ng light brown sa all over my eyes. I have a hooded eyes, kaya mas tinataasan ko yung paglalagay ng eyeshadow ko para makita siya. Kasi pag nilagay ko lang siya like the other videos na sinasabi na all over the lids, matatakpan lang siya nung double eyelids ko. So, next, get a darker brown and this type of brush like this, and then apply it dito lang sa ibabaw ng eyes. Maglalagay din ako dito sa under eye ko ng same dark brown. And now get you a shimmer like this, parang color champagne. And then I will using my fingers and apply it all over the lids. Then kukuha ka ng fluffy brush para i-blend yung sa taas, para wala siyang harsh line. For my eyeliner, I'll be using this brown shade para mag-look natural lang siya sa eyes ko. I'll be going for a thin as possible. Ayan, parang ganito lang yung magiging look niya. It's so simple and very natural lang. So next is you have to curl your lashes para mag-lift yung eyes niyo. But for this video, I will not do that kasi yung eyelash ko nasa recovery pa siya and kaka-apply ko lang nung hair growth. So I will not use a mascara for this video. My favorite part, I will apply a blush. I will apply this O2O blush in the shade 05. Look at the color. This is so pretty. To use this fluffy brush para sa blush, and then you have to tap it and apply it in the apple of your cheeks. For the TikTok people, sabi ng iba is this is a very good dupe for the famous Dior blush, yung hot pink. And for my broke-ass bitch like me, hanggang dito lang yung afford ko since eto 150 lang. Maglalagay din ako dito sa chin ko for fresh look. I'll be using a more fluffier brush just to blend the harsh line. I will apply highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes para mag-lighten up din siya and mag-focus yung makeup sa eyes. For the lipstick, first, I will use this Naturally a gel tint in the shade Aloncina. This is a strawberry red. And then, I will top it with a Capovini in the shade 04. So, yung gel tint, ilalagay ko lang sa inner corner. By the way guys, yung mga products na Naturally is so very good. They also have the OBPM matte stains, which is their, I think it is the famous products they have. For me, I like the gel tint since hindi siya nagsisettle sa inner lips unlike the other lip tints in the market. It also has a very mint feeling when you apply it in your lips. So, this is very good. Tsaka hindi siya nag-patches sa lips ko. So, gel tint siya but it's very hydrating. I will top it again with this Naturally Get Gloss. Last step of your makeup is to use a very good makeup setting spray. I will suggest na ito yung gamitin nyo, the CZ Makeup Setting Spray. Na-try ko na siya one time and nagtagal talaga yung makeup ko, like 6 hours. Kahit na pawisin ako and very mainit dito here sa bahay. And hindi siya nag-transfer sa face mask ko. So, this is a very worth it poodle. It's only around 300 pesos. And to think na 300 pesos for this product and yung gamit niya. I will not use a setting spray since nandito lang naman ako sa bahay. But you can use this after your all over makeup. So this is the final look. It's very pretty, it's very simple, it's very fresh, and hindi siya talaga mabigat sa mukha. Unlike other makeups, mag-add ka na lang siguro ng like pearl accessories or and quintas to elevate your look, and especially just wear your the best dress you have. I forgot magpabango din pala kayo para maamoy kayo ng mga kakamayan nyo pag na-receive nyo na yung diploma. And for me, one time nung nag-graduation kami, di ba, sobrang init na nun. And syempre, pawis-pawis si ate mo, girl. I used this Victoria's Secret in Gym Angel. And parang ilang oras na ata kaming babad nun sa gym. And sobrang init talaga. Like, nagpapawis talaga kami. Lapot-lapot na talaga lahat. And niyakap ko yung isang kaklase ko. And the best compliments talaga pag nakaka-receive ka ng ang bango-bango mo. Ayun, niyakap ko siya. And sabi niya, hala, ang bango mo. Ayun, ganun. I'm so kilig lang. Bayan, dami ko sinasabi. Ayun, thank you so much guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!